in my opinion, I can say that artificial intelligence can be a tool that allows the performance of various tasks in any field of work. These are based on machines, robots that manage to collect information of their screen and have different functions, such as creating folders, time notes, saving, and download digital books. This device can also be adapted to external parts, such as mouse, headphone, and keyboard, USB ports, and telephone to a Wi-Fi network access. Cyberbase is one of the multiple functions that are used in artificial intelligence. The one that seasoned advanced is science.